What is going on, you guys? Alex here with Sportline, bringing you another Tesla video. Today we're going to be working on our Tesla Model 3 and we're going to be installing our Sportline carbon fiber rear diffuser. We're going to be walking you through the install and how to do it yourself. So stay tuned, let's go ahead and get started. So as always, we want to make sure our car is clean before we begin. Go ahead, wash the car, wash down this rear bumper area really well, make sure it's clean and free of contaminants. And now we're going to take our rear diffuser and just give it a test fit. So this is actually going to fit in this lower textured plastic area. It's going to fit this area exactly. So it's just going to slip over just like that. So get comfortable with how it fits, get familiar of where exactly it lines up, but it pretty much follows this lower black piece exactly. Now I'm going to take our prep wipe, wax and grease remover, and just clean this area really well. Make sure to get underneath the car as well. That area is usually pretty dusty and can get missed in a wash pretty easily. I'm just going to come back and dry this. All right, now that that's wiped down with wax and grease remover and dried, we're going to take our adhesion promoter and wipe down the textured black plastic really well where our new diffuser is going to go. Make sure to keep this on the textured black piece. Try not to get it on the paint on your bumper. If you do get a little on there though, you can wipe it off with the prep wipe. So we're just going to give that a minute to dry. Now with our new piece, like we've done before, we're going to only partially peel the tape. Make sure we leave a little tag in for us to pull. And now we can just get this started. So I'm going to start by lining up this corner and try and get that curve matched up really well. And now I can just set it into place. I'm going to go ahead and press this corner into place to hold it. And I'm going to go over to the other side and do the same thing. Now with both our sides set, I'm just going to work my way across the top, pulling the tape and pressing into place as we go. Now we can just work our way across the bottom edge, doing the same thing. So that is going to do it for us today on our install of our Sportline carbon fiber rear diffuser on a Tesla Model 3. This is a great way to spruce up the look of the rear of your Tesla and really give it more of a premium look and feel. If you have any questions about what we did today, make sure to leave a comment down below. We'd be happy to help. If you want to check this out for yourself, you can do that at tsportline.com. If you're not already, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell to be notified whenever we post new videos. We've got lots more Tesla content coming very soon. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.